This is my new Fractal Vice. What's a Fractal Vice? Well, each of these parts pivots. So when you clamp onto something like this wrench, the vise adapts to the shape of the object that it's clamping. I didn't design this. Printed it off of a plan online. Works pretty decent. Only problem I see is that clearance between these two right here. It needs just a tad more clearance because they just touch, and it needs a couple tenths clearance, but it still works. So this thing you can clamp, it needs worked in a little bit. Still got some print, little not smooth surfaces. So here's a microphone. It's pivoted and it just looks pretty cool. It's really just, it's printed. There was no printing supports required when it printed. It called for some other machine screws, but I just used drywall screws, chopped them off to about the right length. Seems to work good. It might be a little short. And then these posts are meant to put them on something like a workmate bench to have a clamp. So that's how they work. Pretty cool, right?